We're going to real Kiwi fishing this week. Steve and I are back out on the little weapon. Got more wind, maybe a little bit of rain today, but it's blowing sort of southeast into the east, and that's why we stay up here in Whatuwhiwhi in that top 10. Lets us still get out on the water. So we're in the harbour today. Just going to do a bait and burley bash. So we'll see if we can get onto a few fish today on the bait and burley. Hope you guys enjoy. So as you can see, Steve-O's sitting on the side there, just minimal roll. That's why these pontoons are great family boats, very safe. If there was a pretty much just a standard deep V hull, should roll quite badly. I could probably get on there as well and should still be okay. So that buoyancy is pretty crazy on these Ospreys. It's got the deep V, so it gives it that nice ride, but also that stability at rest. So if you look at my little 450, the inherent buoyancy for my little 450 is 1100 kgs. So you can have up to 4 adults. And that's what I love about Osprey. Not only do they have the ride, being an aluminium boat, but they've got the buoyancy, the stability, the safety. And when you move into these smaller boats, like my little 450, they're just easy in every way. So you've got easy towing, easy launching, basically solo launching, and cleaning at the end of the day is easy. And just running costs, it's just easy in every way. Has it all. I'll start with, quite like this spot. We've caught some nice fish out of here. And then if it's pretty quiet here, we're going to move up to another spot. It's a little bit deeper hole further up the harbour. It's probably only blowing about 10-15 knots up here, which is doable, but we've got some rain coming through, which can be quite horrible with wind. But hey, at least we can get out and get a bait wet. I'm hooked up, guys, in the rain. Woo-hoo-hoo. The KIWI. Oh, I'm hooked up. So far there's just been KIWI, but this one's feeling like a snapper, Steve-O. Oh, it's looking red. Yep. Woohoo! Oh! Bugger. It's a snapperoonie.
Bat it.
I think the burley's kicking in, Steve-O. Wind's kicking in. Rain's kicking in. Oh, Steve-O's hooked in. No. Ooh. Another KIWI, Steve-O.
Yeah. Yeah, boy, do your thing.
think the KIWI's turning up because of the burley. Sometimes that can happen here in the harbour. Burley kicks in and the KIWI turn up in big numbers. But I did drop that snapper, so they are there. Oh, Steve-O's in. What you got, Steve-O? Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh. Fishing's on, Steve-O. Fishing's on. Oh, again. Another snapper. Steve-O's onto a snapper. Come this side, go around the outboard. Oh, Steve-O's into a nice snappy, is it? Steve-O's on. Woohoo! Another snapper, really. Hooked up in the wind. It's blowing about 20-25 knots now. Little snappy, Steve-O.
A little bit, right?
Just a little fella. Keepable. Around 35, but we'll let him go. KIWI, I think, or Trevally maybe, Steve-O. Feels Trevally-ish. There you go, guys. Big trev. Take him home for pier. Loves his Trevally. Getting plagued by the KIWI again. This one might be a snapperoonie, Steve-O. Little snappy. There you go. Snapper at last, Steve-O. keep a couple to take home. There you go, one for the bin. There is snapper there, but there's KIWI, heaps of KIWI.
More aggressive, eh?
Yeah, can't get our baits down to the bottom half the time. Hey, that's fishing. Done a little bit of a shift. Got plagued by KIWI. Come down to the other end of the little channel. Starting to get a couple of snapper hits. Steve-O. Four meters of water. A little bit of a shift and we're on to the fish, Steve-O. It's quite a nice fish. Nice little harbour fish. Probably around that sort of 38 to 40 centimetres. One for the bin. Oh yeah, boy. It's a heap of fish here, just did that little shift. We're in that same little channel. So we were up that end of the little channel, little hole, getting plagued by KIWI, no snapper, or very little snapper. Did about a 200 metre shift down to the other end of the hole and we're on to the fish. Just shows you sometimes you think there's just no fish in the area and you take off, but all we've done is a couple of 100 metres shift. And there's fish here. Oh, you're in again, Steve-O?
As well.
Bit more fish here, eh?
Fishy?
Bit more fishy. A lot of little stuff here. But hey, at least we're on to the snapper. They're all pretty much takeable. It's probably about 37. Just a strip of KIWI. It's the rib cage. trusty KIWI baits. This one's coming home, guys. He swallowed it. Well takeable. Getting close to their 40 centimeters. There's a lot of fish here, guys. Oh, there's a lot of fish here. As you can see, doesn't take long to get hooked up. Got big Trevally swimming around the burley. Look at them. Some big trevs. Handsome snapper. Have a play with some of these big trevs. Yeah, boy.
River?
Yeah. It's a thumper, Stevo. How's that, guys? These guys are swimming around the burley.
Eater.
Beautiful nick. Big harbour trevs. Okay, Steve-O's going to have a little bit of a play with these trevs. They're even coming right up on the surface and grabbing the bait off the surface. Yep. Go Steve-O! Yeah, boy! Trevor time! KIWI time. Man, you're a tapu, man.
Hey, that's what I want.
Okay. Old Steve-O's hooked up to one of the trevs. They just dog down. Swatch that burley bag. Oh, look at the size of him, Steve-O. He's not a bad Trevy. Look at that, Steve-O's little trev from the harbour. See if we can hook up on another big trev. Oh, look at that big boy. Yeah, boy. There's a heap of trevs here. Some big dogs. Bit of stalemate, Steve-O. Oh, look at him. Look at him, Steve-O. Mate. Oh, Steve-O. These big harbour trevs are a lot of fun. Look at him. Just all the way to the surface. Look at it, he won't even come up to the surface. Can't even get another wind in. Can you grab the net? It's just a little bit bigger, I think, than the other one. Didn't like that. Oh. That's a big boy, man. Woo-hoo. He's a solid boy. Longer, a bit longer. $600.